In this video, I'll show you how you can cancel a private server subscription in Roblox. Now what you want to do is you want to come up here, click on the dots, go to inventory, scroll down until you find private servers, and then click on my private servers. Now once you're in here, what you want to do is find your private server right here. As you can see, I have one right here. Then you want to click on it, scroll down until you find this box, click on the three dots and go to configure. In here, if it's a free one, obviously it will just say free. If it costs Robux, you'll have a button that you can click on to cancel the subscription, and then you'll get an expiry date. You can also disable allow joining if you want to freeze it so no one can join, and that's basically how it works. Now, like I said, this one is free, so there's no reason to cancel it. I cannot click cancel, but if it costs money or Robux, you'll have a button that you can cancel the subscription. So that's how it works, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.